In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix it when it says you couldn't follow a specific account on TikTok. Now, there's many reasons why this could happen, and I'll go into those right now. So the first thing you want to try and do is you want to make sure that you're on a strong internet connection, because when you're on a low or bad quality internet connection, sometimes things don't work correctly. So just swipe down from the top of your screen. You need to go to the control panel, whether you're on iPhone or iOS. If you're on a poor Wi-Fi connection, turn off Wi-Fi and then switch to mobile data. If you're on a bad mobile data connection, turn off mobile data and go onto Wi-Fi. Sometimes that can rectify the problem pretty instantaneously, so try that first. And then the next thing you want to try and do is you want to go out of TikTok and then go either to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and then search for TikTok. Once you found it, make sure that if there's an update available, you update to the latest version, because sometimes when there's a bug and then they fix it within the update, you need to update your app and get that new version in order for things to work correctly. Once you've updated your app, don't open it just yet. Hold down the power button on your phone and then restart your phone to get a fresh restart of TikTok. Once you come back, you can open up TikTok again and see if you can follow the person again. The next thing you want to try and do is check if TikTok is not in fact down. So sometimes when things can go down on TikTok, like the app goes down, things aren't going to work correctly. So make sure the app isn't down. You can go onto YouTube, search "is TikTok down?" You'll see videos popping up there. If it is in fact down, check the comments. If there are lots of recent comments of people complaining, you know it's down. Then you just need to wait a few hours and for them to fix the problem. The next thing you want to do is you want to clear the cache of your TikTok app. So tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines over there at the top right. Then you want to scroll down to the see cache and cellular data option. And then you want to tap on the free up space option there. Then you want to see at the top it says cache 45 megabytes. Just tap on clear cache, clear, and see if that rectifies the problem. If that doesn't work, the last thing you can try and do is to report the problem. So you can go back. Then you want to scroll down till you see the support option, and there it says report a problem. Tap on report a problem. Now you have to follow some steps, and the option you want to select is follow likes and comments. So tap on that, and then you want to tap on unable to follow a user, and then you'll see that we did all these steps over here that they tell us to do. So you want to tap on the no button because it's not resolved yet, and then tap on need more help. And then you just want to give them feedback, tell them that you're not able to follow a user and you've done all the steps that they suggest, and you can even include a screenshot of the problem. Then you'll tap on the report button and they should get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So those are some steps that you can follow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.